So guys, it's our cat's anniversary was in October, and we totally forgot about it. And I totally forgot about it. So Dixie, I'm sorry that I forgot about your anniversary when we got you, but now I remember, okay? I love you. So, Max, I'm sorry that I forgot about your anniversary. I love you though. And if you guys are a big fan of me, you're probably wondering, what about Garfield's anniversary? Well, we actually got him a little bit later than Max and Dixie, so actually it's not his anniversary yet.